Hello, good evening, everyone. This is Jason. Today, I would like to share my technical analysis on Berjaya Food Bhd, and this is a weekly chart, and we do see that Berjaya Food Bhd right raised from 40 cent up to $3.30, right? Just in 3 to 4 years, and then its collection down to this 150, and you can see this is a perfect kind of cycle we can see in KFC and I mean the stock, right? You look at here is keeping forming the lower low and the higher low. Okay, this is a typical collection down. Okay, and up to that date, right, whereby is about um last, in fact is still this month, right, last 2 weeks to 3 weeks ago, it break away from this Dow trend channel, which is like indicate that Dow trend is really over. And on top of that, we also see it break like this $1 and 89 cent, right? This is a resistance level which is forming the wave tree. Okay, well, in a nutshell, based on the weekly chart, I can see that the Dow trend is over, right? Collection over, and sideways toward the upward momentum swing is going to building up. Okay, and on top of that, right, it's that show that there is a buying interest from the big fund, I believe, right, because of the it's trading at this level, which is 61 Fibonacci, and also that showing that support around this area. Okay, now we move on to like a daily chart, right? Now daily chart, um, I would like to use two way to analyze. The first is like again the Elliott wave, right? We can see clearly here is like um that the wave three is like form, right? This is like a wave one, okay? This is two, okay, and three is over here, right? So and on top of that, here is forming the smaller wave one. Okay, here look at here, one, two, okay, and this is another wave one and two. Okay, now the question is how I'm going to make this statement is because of that the wave tree here, right? The wave tree here is like uh, is formed, right? Is like along the way here is a big making like a smaller wave to degree, and which is like we call is forming the extended wave tree is under development. And what I'm trying to tell here is a pretty bullish, right? And I do bought in this morning, okay, and in fact, reason being is like I do see is like supported at this level, which is like 61% level, and I do see it's forming like a hammer, right? And this is hammer again. It's clearly telling is there is a support here, and once the once the how you call the sentiment for this KLC turn a little bit bullish, I would say likely very high chances, right, that wave three, this is one wave three, right? Okay, this is what happen. Okay, and then the other wave three. In fact, here is already we can see there's a 2 degree of a wave three is making, right, because of this break this level, right? This level break is this is three. So let's see how it's go, and I think it's really good opportunity for me to work some stock here. That's why I'm bought here, right? And it's forming like a hammer. Okay, thank you to listen to me. Hi, thanks for watching my video. If you would like to have first-hand information, so I'm suggesting you to like my Facebook, okay, by clicking a like on, then followed by enable this following mode, right, which is from to see first, right, click on the see first. Normally you can see original is default, but you can click to the see first, and the notification, right, you put click on it instead of all on or off, right, you click to all on. So on top of that, I have a couple of avenue for you to get my update, right? For instance, just like what I'm saying just now, you can search a KFC technical analysis, right? You can lie on us, right? Enable the see first, then to enable all on, okay? And if you are in a mobile phone, right, basically you can click like and followed by following, change from the default, right, to see first, right? So click on the see first. And I also create the avenue in the YouTube because of Facebook sometime that video not that clear, so that you can follow my YouTube by subscribe, and also by clicking the turn on subscription, so that whenever I release a YouTube, you can have the information. Thank you.